Morning, YouTubers. Welcome to On Blast with MG. Today we're in Costa Rica, and the gentlemen here want to charge me $100 for a fishing pole and or $650 to go out on a boat. So, since don't really want to spend that much money on, half a day or a few hours worth of fishing, I just went ahead and bought some hardware store supplies for less than $6. I'm gonna go fishing myself. So got a Coca-Cola bottle, glass preferably with the hourglass figure, so you could wrap the line around. Got some line. So what we're gonna do is we're going to simply wrap enough line around the Coke bottle, tie some weight at the end, and put a hook, maybe 2-3 feet above the line, which is exactly how the guys here do it. Fishing's pretty expensive, equipment is pretty expensive, and there isn't a lot of money that I could see, with the regular population in Costa Rica. So they resort to, using the tried and true line and hook, and anything else you can make do with, like bottles or Coke bottles, or even by hand. Sometimes I saw guys, just reeling the stuff in by hand. So we'll get this going. I'll show you guys at the end how it looks, but should be pretty good. I got some chicken for bait. So I couldn't find any obviously any live bait or any plastics either, any lures or anything like that. So we're gonna see how it works. The tide is on the low right now, so we're not gonna be able to fish right now. The guys that I saw yesterday were fishing on high tide, so we're gonna try to do the same. Probably wait until later on today, and the tide will come. The tide is coming in right now. Little monkeys out here. We're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully we'll catch something. Maybe we could even cook it up ourselves. So I'll show you the end product, but right now I'm just rolling some line onto it, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we rolled a good amount on here, not too much, because then it starts to unravel quite easily. So got a good amount of line on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now tie a knot right here in the middle of the, about 3-4 feet from the end line, where I'm going to tie the weights. So this is going to act as the knot is going to act as a stop for when I'm going to put the jigging hook. So I'm going to tie the weights down now at the very bottom, and then we'll attach the line with the hook right above the knot. Okay, we'll show you the end product at the end. Alright guys, well here's the final product. Very simple fishing rig. Bottle with the line wrapped around. Line coming down here, splitting into the main line, has the weight attached to it all the way at the bottom right there. About 3 or 4 feet up the line, made a separate line for the hook, so that I could maybe jig it up and drag it across the bottom. I'm gonna use a little chicken as bait, raw chicken. Saw a guy here who said the little clams here will work as well, so I'm gonna try to find some of those later by the beach. And the way it basically works, you're going to swing this weight around in a circle, just over and over like that, and then let it go, and it should toss out there with the hook and kind of cast for you. We're gonna try later and show you guys how it did. Hopefully we'll catch something. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you would.
Thank you.
Alright, the deal is like this.
Oh, I got cold.
Got cold? Did you go through my feet?
Huh? No.
Did you go through my feet? Okay,
No.
go over there a little. Right on. Okay, ready?
Yeah. I don't even know where it went. I don't know where it went.
The meat fell out. Dang it.
It fell out?
Yeah, let's see.
Where'd it go?
The meat,
Yeah.
the fishes.
Oh.
Let me try this real quick. I have to let go
Earlier.
earlier.
It gets deep, so shallow right here.
The tide's kind of coming in, yeah. Alright, let me try cutting another piece of chicken.
Okay. Is this waterproof?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you can stop. Fishing old school Tahitian style. Now it's me. Well, Bobby Bear in America. First fish caught on the homemade fishing pole line is a puffer fish. There's a puffer fish. I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of this guy without stinging myself, but there he is. A little puffer fish. Wanna do a little puffing. I have to try to get rid of this guy somehow. A little puffer fish. You want some puffer fish sushi? There you go, it works. Look at that. He's doing his little puffer fish stuff. I'm trying to take the hook out. Oh, puffer fish.